Welcome to the wildest wedding of the year. The street is glowing with festive lights and colorful banners. The drummers are hitting those dolls with serious swing. The whole neighborhood is waking up to this beat. Make way for the star of the day. Groom Monkey is riding high on his majestic, decorated white steed, looking sharp in that red and gold sherwani. He spent all morning making sure that turban is absolutely perfect. The Baraat is officially on the move. It's a sea of color, music, and incredible energy in the street. Watch out! Trying to film a vlog while dancing? That is some serious, if slightly clumsy, multitasking right there. Talk about elegance. The dancing monkeys are twirling in their glittering lehengas like sparkling stars in the street. It's raining flowers. Festive confetti and rose petals are filling the air with vibrant, joyful colors. Oops. Too much excitement and not enough balance. That's what I call a wedding crash course in comedy. The crowd is losing it. Even at a royal wedding, there's always room for a little monkey business and laughter. Everyone's together for the grand finale. The groom, drummers, and dancers are all moving to the festive beat. As fireworks light up the sky, we celebrate a night to remember. Congratulations to the happy couple.